Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Kami dari kelompok 3 akan melanjutkan membaca chapter 3 dari halaman 119. Dengan saya Nur Zaidah, NIM 2811925, Tadris Matematika 4B. Activities. Work with a partner. Use counters to find each sum. Number 2, -5 plus 3. -5 plus 3. Combine 5 negative counters with 3 positive counters. -5 plus 3. Remove all zero pairs. -2. Find the number of counters that remain. So, -5 plus 3 equals -2. 3. 4 plus -1. 4 plus -1. Combine 4 positive counters with 1 negative counter. 4 plus -1. Remove all zero pairs. 3. Find the number of counters that remain. So, 4 plus -1 equals 3. Your turn. Use counters to find each sum. G. -6 plus 5 H. 3 plus -6. I. -2 plus 7. J. 8 plus -3. K. -9 plus 1. L. -4 plus 10. Writing math. Write two addition sentence where the sum is positive. In each sentence, one ended should be positive and the other negative. 2. Write two addition sentence where the sum is negative. In each sentence, one ended should be positive and the other negative. 3. Make a conjecture. Write a rule that will help you determine the sign when finding the sum of integers. 3 until 4. Adding integers. What you will learn: add integers. New vocabulary: opposite, additive, inverse. Link to reading. Everyday meaning of opposite: something that is across from or is facing the other way, as in running the opposite way. When am I ever going to use this? Earth signs. Thunderstorms are made of both positive and negative electrical charges. The negative charges, electrons, are at the bottom of a thunder cloud, and positive charges, protons, are at the top. 1. What is the charge at the top of a cloud where there are more protons than electrons? 2. What is the charge at the bottom of a cloud where there are more electrons than protons? Combining positive and negative electrical charges in a thunderstorm is similar to adding integers. Example: add integers with the same sign. 1. Find -3 plus -2. Use a number line. Start at 0. Move 3 units left to show -3. From there, move 2 units left to show -2. So, -3 plus -2 equals -5. Notables. Key concepts: add integers with the same sign. Words: the sum of two positive integers is positive. The sum of two negative integers is negative. Example: 7 plus 4 equals 11. -7 plus -4 equals -11. Example: add integers with the same sign. 2. Find -26 plus -17. -26 plus -17 equals -43. The sum of two negative integers is negative. Your turn. Add. A. -14 plus -16. B. 23 plus 38. C minus 35 plus minus 49. The integers 43 and minus 43 are called opposite of each other because they are the same distance from 0, but on opposite side of 0. Two integers that are opposite are also called additive inverse. Notable K concept. Additive inverse property. Words: the sum of any number and its additive inverse is 0. Example: 5 plus minus 5 equals 0. Examples: at integers with differencing. 3. Find 5 plus minus 3. Use contours. Remove all zero pairs. 5 plus minus 3. 5 plus minus 3 equals 2. So 5 plus minus 3 equals 2. Find number 4. Find minus 3 plus 2. Use a number line. Start at 0. Move 3 units left. Then move 2 units right. So minus 3 plus 2 equals minus 1. Notables. K concept. Add integers with differencing. Words: to add integers with differencing. Subtract their absolute value. The sum is positive if the positive integer has the greater absolute value. Negative if negative integer has the greater absolute value. Examples: 9 plus minus 4 equals 5. Minus 9 plus 4 equals minus 5. Examples: add integers with differencing. 5. Find 7 plus minus 1. 7 plus minus 1 equals 6. Subtract. Keep the sign of the integer with the greater absolute value. 6. Find minus 8 plus 4. Minus 8 plus 4 equals minus 4. Subtract. Keep the sign of the integer with the greater absolute value. Your turn. At D. 10 plus minus 12. E. Minus 16 plus 9. F. Minus 13 plus 18. Example: simplify an expression with integers. 7. Algebra. Simplify 12 plus x plus minus 20. 12 plus x plus minus 20 equals 12 plus minus 20 plus x. Commutative property of addition. Equals minus x minus 8 plus x. Add. Your turn. Simplify each expression. G. 1 plus y plus minus 5. H. Z plus minus 2 plus 9. Example: use integers to solve a problem. H. Oceanography. Anna was scuba diving near the Great Barrier Reef 16 meters below the surface of the water. She saw a dolphin swim by 7 meters above her. What was the depth of the dolphin? Anna is 16 meters underwater and the dolphin is 7 meters above her. So, the depth of the dolphin can be represented by the expression minus 16 plus 7 or minus 9. The dolphin is 9 meters below the surface of the water. Skill and concept check. 1. Draw a model to show 2 plus minus 7. 2. Open-ended. Give an example of integers that are additive inverse. 3. Find the error. Brooke and Xavier are finding minus 12 plus 13. Who is correct? Explain. Brooke: minus 12 plus 13 equals 1. Xavier: minus 12 plus 13 equals minus 1. 4. Number sense. Tell whether each sum is positive, negative, or 0 without without adding. A minus 6 plus minus 7, B minus 8 plus 10, C minus 14 plus 14. Guided practice. Add 5 minus 16 plus minus 8, 6 minus 3 plus 10, 7, 7 plus minus 11, 8, 9 plus minus 9. 9. Money. You pay your brother 42 that you owe him. The same week you earn $35 dog sitting for the neighbors. Do you have more or less money than at the begin of the week? 10. Algebra. Simplify 12 plus y plus minus 8.
Okay, next, practice and application. Added 11 minus x plus 8, 12 minus 9 plus 11, 13 plus minus 19, 14, 6 plus 10, 15 minus 10 plus minus 15, 16 minus 12 plus 10, 17 minus 30 plus 16, 18 plus minus 5, 19, 21 plus minus 21, 20, 18 plus minus 20, 21 minus 22 plus minus 20 minus 16, 22 minus 24 plus 19, 23 minus 11 plus 13 plus 6, 24 minus 16 plus minus 21 plus 15, 25 11 25 12 plus minus 17 plus minus 25, 26, 20 plus minus 30 plus minus 40. Write an addition expression to describe each situation. Define each sum. 27. Weather. The temperature outside is minus 3 derajat Fahrenheit. The temperature dropped 6 derajat. 28. Submarine. A submarine dives 106 feet below the water. Then it rises 63 feet. 21. Skateboarding. Hakim starts at the bottom of a half pipe 6 feet below street level. He rises 14 feet at the top of his kick drum. 30. Money matter. Stephanie has $43 in the bank. She withdraws $35. Algebra. evaluate each expression if x minus 10, y 7, and z minus 8. 31, x plus 14, 32, 6 plus y, 30, z plus minus 5, 34 minus 17 plus y, 35, 20 plus z, 36 minus 10 plus 8, 37 z plus 8, 38 5 plus 8, 39 x plus y, 40 y plus z, 41 x plus z, 42 x plus y plus z. Go for exercise 43 until 45. As the information below. Score of the par in a golf tournament are recorded as positive integers. Score under par are recorded as negative integers. Even par is recorded as a 0. The person with the lowest total score wins. The table shows the top 2 finishers in the 1004 LPGA Championship. Find 43. Find Annika Sorensen's final score. 44. Find Shin Huyun Han's final score. 45. Who had the better score explains. Algebra. Simplify. 46 x plus minus 5 plus 1. 47 plus 4 plus y plus minus 2. 48 minus 9 plus m plus minus 6. 49 x plus minus x plus n. 15 minus 1 plus a plus 7. 51 f plus minus 19 plus 11. Explain how the commutative and associative properties of addition can help you find each sum mentally. Then find each sum. 7 plus minus 2 plus minus 7. Number 53 minus 6 plus 9 plus minus 4. 54 minus 5 plus minus 6 plus minus 3. 55 8 plus 10 plus minus 8. 56 minus 5 plus minus 7 plus minus 10. 57 8 plus minus 9 plus minus 9. 58 stock market. The members of the investment club purchase the stock for for $50. The next day, the price of the stock dropped the $18. On the second and the third days, the price dropped another $16 and then rose $21. How much was the stock worth at the end of the trade day? 59. Write a problem. Write about a real life problem using the addition sentence. Minus x plus 11 is t. Then solve the equation and explain what the solution represents. Critical thinking. For example, 16 and 61. Use a number line to define each sum. Does the order of the addends make a difference? Explain. 63 plus minus x and minus x plus 3. 61. 7 plus minus 3 plus minus 6 and 7 plus minus 3 plus minus 6. Spiral review with standardized test practice. 62. Multiple choice. In a game with a standard deck of the cards and the scoring system at the right, the cards are dealt and added together to get a final score. Dylan is dealt the 4 of hearts, the king of spades, and the 3 of the diamonds. What is his final score? A 11, B minus 3, C 3, D 9. 63. Short response. Jeremy owes his sister $5. Then he borrow $16 more from here. Write the total amount he owes as in integers. Name the order pair for each point graphed at the right. Then identify the quadrant in which each point lays. For 64, J, 65, K, 66, L, 67, M. 68, order it 6, min 3, 0, 4, min 8, 1, and minus 4. From least to the greatest. 69. Statistic constructs a line plot for the following test score. 81, 83, 75, 81, 82, 81, 75, 82, 82, 86, 83, 81, and 79. Getting ready for the next lesson. Prerequisite skill. Find the range for each set of data. 70 13, 13, 7, 6, 22, 21, 71, 54, 32, 43, 14, 49, 30, 72, 62, 59, 85, 74, 82. Study skill is a flowcards. Taking good notes. Have you ever tried to solve a math problem and then realize you left out an important step? Try using a flowchart when you take notes to map out the step you should follow. A flowchart is like a map that tells you how to get from the beginning of a problem to the end. Flowchart symbols. Picture 1. A diamond contains a question. You need to stop and make a decision. Picture 2. A rectangle tells you what to do. Picture 3. An oval indicates the beginning or end. Here is follow for adding two integers. Just follow the arrows. Skill practice. Make a follow cards for each kind of a problem. 1. Rounding a decimal to a given place. 2. Evaluating an expression using order of operation. Next, 3 until 5H. Hence, on lab a preview of lesson 3 until 5. Subtract integers. You can also use counters to model subtraction of the integers. Remember, one meaning of the subtraction is the to take away. Write the partner. These pictures. Okay, so you turn as the counter of the to find H difference. A 7 minus 6. B 5 minus 3. C 6 minus 3. D 5 minus 3. Okay, thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.